If you're currently struggling to pay off debt, you might be familiar with wage garnishment, a consequence of being unable to pay a debt that ends with a creditor garnishing your wages, which means they take a set amount of money out of each paycheck before it reaches your bank account. This can be difficult to manage regardless of your demographic or current income, and you might be wondering if there are ways to get out of it early. Let's look at your options. Paying the debt in total. This is one of the best ways to end a wage garnishment early. If you have the money in hand, paying off your debt in full means there's no longer a reason for the creditor to pull money from your paycheck. Another option is to negotiate with the creditor for a lower payment. This lower payment agreement will often require you to demonstrate that you're unable to make the full payment each month. The amount per paycheck that would allow you to qualify will vary depending on where you live. If you're unable to pay the amount in full and don't qualify for lower payments, filing for bankruptcy could stop wage garnishment and potentially give you time to repay your debt. While it's not an ideal situation, time can be a valuable asset for those looking to improve their financial situation in the future. Wage garnishment is a difficult financial situation to manage, but it can be managed even without paying the debt off early. Let's look at some ways you can live with less stress despite the difficulty. Educate yourself on your rights. Understanding the wage garnishment process and knowing what your rights are is an invaluable tool as it allows you to know what to expect and how to best deal with creditors and your budget. Communicate with your creditor. Continuing to push for a lower garnishment with the creditor might not work in the near future. But if you know your rights and can prove that a lower payment could mean they get their money sooner, a creditor may be more willing to work with you. Make a budget. Once you know how much money will be garnished from your wages, make a budget so that you can still meet your other financial obligations. This will help you stay on track and avoid falling behind on other bills. It can also help you improve your credit in the meantime and build a brighter financial future despite the wage garnishment. Stay organized. Keep track of all correspondence and documents related to the wage garnishment. This will help you stay organized and be prepared for anything that comes up during the process. No matter what option you choose, make sure to act quickly to avoid further financial difficulties. Did you find this video helpful? Be sure to check out our full credit repair tips playlist in the description below and leave us a comment to let us know what you think. Your feedback helps make this channel better.